Hello you all, today we are going to be learning how to create an anime character on your mobile phone. Because I'm sure as an anime lover you guys have already checked on how to create anime characters before. So if you're ready for this, let's get started on how to create anime characters on our mobile phone for free. First, I would like to say a warm welcome to all of my new subscribers because I now have 100 plus subscribers, and thank you very much for you all joining me for this animation tutorial journey. Thank you. This is an app called ibisPaint. Well, you can be able to make a lot of drawings, especially anime drawings here. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use this app. Click on the plus button and let's begin. Like this will pop up, and all you just have to do is click the button for you to open the drawing page. Then when you open the drawing page, you see your brushes, your pen, your eraser, your ruler tool, your fill tool, and all the tools that you need to draw. Believe me, that is why I say this app is the best for 2D animation and also best for making your own anime characters for free, and you don't even need to pay money for it. It has a premium version if you want to, but I'm not sure there's need for that. It also have filter tools and many other tools. So let's start. Start off by drawing a circle, then drawing two lines in the middle, one going horizontal and one going vertical. So after we've done that, we'll draw the outline of the face, but remember we are just sketching it. Then once you do that, you draw the neck, then you draw the body and the hand, and that is how you do the sketch of your anime character. Looking good so far. Next thing we have to do is make a new layer, then draw the outline of our sketch. You can just do this straight and make sure that all your tools are correct, and just do this as easy as you can so that you won't make much mistakes. I'm going to be drawing the clothes immediately with the entire line out sketch. I know some of you guys will be really familiar with drawing the clothes after you have already done the line out sketch of the body, but I prefer doing it when I've already started doing the line out sketch of the body, so I do the clothes immediately. So yeah, I'm done with all the line out of the entire character, clothes and face. So now it's time for me to talk about eyes. You see, I put a rectangle or square, then I now come up with 3 sides so I can be able to find where the eyes is going to be. A new layer for the eyes so I can be able to see what I'm doing well and not have any mistakes. Do a little bit of sketch for my eyes before I start putting the main work of the main line art. So I hope you like it the way I do it. I draw the eyes and everything inside the eyes, especially the pupil and the eyelashes. Now I'm doing the entire body features, but if you want it very good, you have to calm down and do this. Do not rush it and just move slowly. For the hair, I'm not going to put much effort on it, but just make sure that all your lines is coming down and it looks wavy. I always use a straight from anime characters, and they always look good with the hairstyle. Hey, time to color them in. Just know you have to use one specific color palette for your characters, or else it will be very distorted and no good light should show on the character. I want a form of dark clothes for him and that kind of dark aura, but it's all up to the clothes he's wearing and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna be hoping that this turn out well. here I left too many open spaces. That is why I needed to be doing all this again so that I can be able to close all those spaces. That is why I also couldn't use fill tool. But you can be able to break this mistake out yourself whenever you want. We have reached the second to the last part of this entire anime scheme, and which is the shadow. Now the shadow has to be showing where the darkness is and where the light is coming from. So yeah, you have to put shadow everywhere that's going to be concerning shadow, and I know this is going to be hard, but I'm sure you guys can be able to get the hang of it. I put shadow in the hair and everywhere else, so yeah, you guys should be able to do this, right? Give the eye some awesome cool shades, so you know it looks cool and not cringy. So yeah, tell me what you think about the eyes in the comments. To the last part of this focus on how to make your anime character, and here it is. Lightning. Make another layer and add the ZBrush, put it in a bright color and make a light so that your character can be able to look bright and not dull. Because yeah, you really need this, especially when you're making cool characters in the future. I hope this focus was enough for you to make your anime characters better and even be able to start in case if you're a beginner. So once you make the lightning, make sure it is opposite of the shadow so that you can be able to distinguish which one is the lightning and which one is the shadow. Got that? And order your layers or else it's gonna be looking a little bit great. So next I put the background and I put this type of shade around him so that it can be able to look like as if there's something at his back, let's say like a wig or something, and where the shadow should be so that it won't look awkward. You understand what I'm saying, right? These are the 4 basic guidelines you need to build your own anime character. So you guys are probably wondering how you're going to animate it and make it to move. Well, if you're wondering about that, I've actually made a full video on how to animate on this same ibis Paint. It is not hard, but it's very easy, and you can see it in this video over here.